women like burly guys. And why do they like burly and big and muscular guys? Because they are likely to have higher levels of testosterone. Unless you have testosterone, you cannot build muscles. You know that, right? And that is why you cannot build muscles, let's say, after 50 or 60. It's very difficult. Even Salman Khan is likely to lose his muscles now. He has crossed 50. Because his testosterone levels are now dropping. And if you have big muscles using testosterone, then it's a good sign for your ability to reproduce. And that's why women are trained to have a soft corner, or let's say a hard corner, for big biceps. They think that it's the big biceps that attract them. What they don't understand is that Prakriti is using them to find someone who is more likely to have a high sperm count. That's what you call as love. A girl looking for a boy with a high sperm count. Disgusting. I'll just spit it out. You are a gym goer, it seems. Same with the men. What do you call as beautiful in a woman? Her curvature, her hips, her breasts, all of that just makes her conducive for bearing a child. Exactly that which qualifies her to bear a child is taken as beautiful by you. So all that you are looking for is someone who is going to be quite fertile. That's what Prakriti is making you to look at. You look at all that and then you say, she's quite beautiful. Prakriti has distorted your entire definition of beauty. You are getting it? In your eyes, beauty is that which is conducive towards childbirth. And you don't even know that. You aren't conscious of that. It's all happening
unconscious,
below the radar. You don't know that. So you say, I've fallen in love. You know what? Baby, I love the way you walk. More honest are those who simply say, which one was that? Udit? I'm in love with your body. What was that? No, Udit will tell. I'm in love with what?
Shape of you.
I'm in love with the shape of you. That's a more honest admission. Your shape tells me that you will be a good mother to my child. Your shape tells me so that's what you're looking for, right? Now, why do you want commitment? Because not only do you want to have sex, you want an uninterrupted and guaranteed supply of sex. That is what you call as commitment. Not only should you be with me for one night, assure me that I'll find you on the bed every night. That's commitment. You will not say that because it's so really disgusting to hear. But that's the intention. That's what you call as loyalty or commitment or whatnot. Prakriti wants you to have it 3 times a day. And if you must have it 3 times a day, then the supply must be assured. And how to assure the supply? Through commitment and loyalty. If there is no commitment, then he may run away or she may run away. Of course, even with commitment. Because the objective of Prakriti is not that you keep having sex with one person. Her objective is that you become pregnant. Doesn't matter who the father is. The child must come. The species must be furthered. It doesn't matter where the furtherance is coming from. That's what Prakriti is asking you to do, and that is why adultery is so common. Because you are not designed to restrict yourself to one person. You are designed to just have it anywhere. How does the brand of the bread matter? The hunger matters. It's okay. Naan is all right. Garlic naan is also all right. If you can't have anything, then bring me some stuffed kulcha. Nothing is available, then I'll go back home to plain tawa roti. What matters is the hunger. That's what Prakriti has trained you to do. Just appease your hunger. Just quench your thirst.